Here is a 5x5 checklist. You have to know about geometry, functions, algebra, derivatives, and integrals. Calculus is beautiful, but it's also not easy. And geometry is closely related to it. First of all, you certainly have to know about numbers. Why does 6 hate 7? Because 7, 8, 9. You have to be able to add and subtract. You know fractions. It's a sore point in general. But algebra is your friend. So John has 32 candy bars. He eats 28. What does he have now? Diabetes. Variable x and solve for x. You should be familiar with some functions and conic sections and be able to graph them or dance them. You need to know about logs and exponentials and be familiar with trig functions.
What is the EX then?
You can derive it all you want, but you do not get anywhere. Be familiar with trig functions. Having one spouse is monogamy, having two spouses is bigamy. Trigonometry is when you have three spouses. You can actually get away with the basic functions, sine, cosine, and tan. Can be a little bit tricky to explain. Tan is like an orange, but different. Here, singerine over cosgerine. Why are obtuse angles depressed? Because they are never right. So they're acute angles. You should know Pythagoras and related trig identities. Be familiar with continuity and its properties. Of course, you should be able to take derivatives and integrate basic functions. Take limits. It's an old one. And especially using the Hospital rule. Don't make that sing. Integration rules are a bit harder to explain. Anyway, I got the run. Good luck. But here, do you know about the mathematician, constipated mathematician? He had to work it out with a pencil.
Oh my God.
At complex numbers we actually don't get into. Proper input and output. A good review is the Calculus Cartoon Guide of Gonick. But enough with bad jokes. See you in class bright and early on Tuesday.
Bye.